Hi, my name is Alex Garcia, and I am the CEO and co-founder of Ennube Solutions. In this demo, we're going to go over our brand new Case Utility Lightning component that we're making available on the AppExchange. I will show you how to install, configure, and then make the utility available to your users, all for free. The Case utility was designed to boost adoption inside of your Salesforce org by creating a mechanism for users to get the support that they need from the internal administrative team. Okay, let's get started with configuring the Case utility in your Salesforce org. It is always recommended that you use a sandbox or a developer environment to try things out from the AppExchange, just so that you don't interfere with anything inside of your own organization. In order to install the utility, you will click Get It Now from the AppExchange, and you will be directed to the utility install page. Here, you will want to select Install for all users. This will make it easier for you down the road to enable a wider adoption from your users. You acknowledge the terms of use and click Install. The installation may take some time, and you may get a message that you will receive an email when the installation is complete. Allow the installation to occur, and once it's done, we'll navigate inside of your Salesforce org. Keep in mind that case record types and support processes are required to have been turned on in your organization before installation. Once the package is installed, you will receive an installation complete notification, and the first step will be complete. Once installed, you will navigate back to your installed packages, and the new Case utility is now available inside of your Salesforce org. Once installed, it's time to configure the package to work with your internal system. We will do so by leveraging the custom metadata type configuration. And so navigate to custom metadata types. And here we will find new case action configuration and new case action field. We will start with the new case action configuration. This configuration allows us to set default values in the cases that are generated from the new Case utility Lightning component. For an internal use case, you want to create an account in the system that represents your company, and you want to create contacts for employees inside of your company. This is a way for your company to exist in the system aside from the user base and allow for members of your company to interact with the support processes inside of the system as if they were customers. In order to set the value, just click Edit on the field, and you will be able to copy and paste an ID into the default value field. Remember to copy the 18-digit version of the ID and remove any leading or trailing spaces. Next, you can set the default case origin. With the origin, you want to make sure that you're matching the pick list values in your case origin field. Please reference that field in order to accurately set the value for your default case origin. And last, you can set a record type as the default record type for the case widget, or if none is set, it will use the default record type of the user who logs the case. We recommend that you set a default record type here so that you can implement an internal support process for your users in the system. Next, we'll go over the new case action field. So we will navigate back to our custom metadata types and enter the new case action fields. Here we will select Manage Records. Next, we will configure the new case action fields. This custom metadata type allows us to select which fields appear on our Lightning component. We have set the standard case field as standard, but you are able to add additional fields. You can add any field that is on the standard case object, and it can be either a standard or a custom field. You can also set the sort order and whether or not you want the field to be active. In order to add additional fields, please reference our case utility setup and installation guide available on the AppExchange listing. For now, we will leave the standard layout as is and continue on to add the utility to an existing application. Navigate to an existing application. Widgets work best in console view, so it's our recommendation that you select a console application. Within the console application, you can select utility items. You can add a new utility item, and within the utility item, if you scroll all the way down to custom managed, the new case utility will be available. You can set the name, so it doesn't have to be called new case utility. You can call it new support case. You can select the icon. You can choose a different icon. You can upload your own icon. For the sake of this, let's select an answers icon, so our users can get answers. We'll click save, and that's all. The new case utility should be available on your Lightning application. And you can validate that by going back to the application in the application app launcher, selecting your application. And now we can log a new support case. If you need to upload attachments, you can do so in the following screen. Upload screenshots of errors or any additional supporting documentation that your users may need, and click Done. The case will reset, and a user can opt to log another case or minimize the utility and continue on their day.